Hey, I don't know if I showed you this, but this is my propane flame effect training unit, right? So you got your tank to a quarter turn valve, to the regulator, pressure indicator, quarter turn valve, over to the accumulator on this side, over to the solenoid, to the effect. If you come out the pressure regulator, the other way you got a needle valve that then goes up to your pilot. Then over here we have, well, 12 volt power supply. Take 12 to 5 to power the microprocessor, the relay. Now the solenoid is 12 volts, so I'm using 12 for that. And then I have the pendant that plugs in with different options. Long shot, rapid shots, let's see, heartbeat shot, and then, right, you can watch the pressure you shoot. The whole idea of this is to allow people to see all the components for like 160.